Triangle. Is there a smaller shape than triangle?
No.
Is line not a geometrical shape in maths?
Yes, it is a shape.
Yeah. Line segment is also a shape. Right?
Yes.
What is a shape smaller than a line and line segment?
Point.
Yeah. So that's what we are going to, that's what we are looking for. So most geometric, like most small, the smallest geometric shape is what? Point. It all starts from a point in maths, right? Before jumping to quadrilaterals, we must know the history, right? How did we reach that, right?
Yes.
So the smallest shape in mathematics that we study is a point. Right? So basically we use points a lot in maths, right? How do we like name them? Point.
We use points like A, B, C.
Yeah, like that. They just denote a particular location or something.
Part
like
of the
right?
figure.
Yeah. Point. Like basically, we always use capital letter, right? We don't use the small letters. Okay. So from points, we get a line, right?
Yes.
We join infinitely many points. On a line, there are infinitely many points, right? Uncountable. Yes. So if we join it, we get a line, right? So can you tell me what is the difference between a line segment and a ray?
A line has no particular endpoint, whereas a line segment has a particular endpoint.
Mm-hmm.
And in a ray,
Mm-hmm. I have drawn all of these over here. See, as you can see, this is a line. And second is line segment. I will write it as LS. This one is a ray, right? How many endpoints are there in a line? 0. How many endpoints can you see on a line segment? You said a endpoint. No, there are 2 endpoints, right? It is closed from both sides, right? So this is a line segment which has 2 endpoints. Array has how many endpoints? 1, right? So this is clear. Okay, if we have a line and we have 3 or 4 points on a line, what do we call them? They are called collinear points. Collinear, right? The word co meaning same, right? Do you know any words with more words with co? Collinear? Any word from English? That's your favorite subject.
Yes.
Cooperation?
I don't remember. Yes, corporation.
Cooperation, right? Cooperation. Like in a group, when you work with your friends, we can get cooperation, right? So co meaning it's related to like operating together, right? Basically same group. So here co meaning same. Whenever there is a word called co in mathematics, that means it is indicating something is same. So here, if I have many points on same line, as you can see over here, right? Point A, B, C, and D. They are on the same line. So what do we call them? Collinear point. That means they are on the same line. Collinear. right? If we have a plane, what is a plane?
Plane. A plane is a surface.
Yeah, just a surface. Like, okay, for example, if I have this, I'm drawing this, right? I can like increase it in four sides and wherever I want, right? For example, the wall of your room, floor of your room, screen of your computer, they're all planes, right? Okay, so if we have, this is a plane, right? We have 3 points on the same plane. What do we call them?
Collinear.
No. Co-linear on a line. Here it is a plane, so co-planar, right? Co-planar, right? Okay, all right. So we have whatever we have done till now. Clear? Any questions? All right. We have established that smallest, the simplest figure is a point, right? So what are intersecting lines and parallel lines? Can you tell me the difference?
Yes, the intersecting lines are the lines which intersect or go through one another at a point or through different points, whereas the parallel lines are the lines which cannot meet.
Yeah, okay, all right. Not number of points, right? And parallel lines are those lines as well which cannot meet, and also they are at a constant distance from each other. If their distance is not the same, then they will meet each other, right? So intersecting lines can intersect only at one point, no? They cannot intersect at any other point. If two lines are intersecting, they are straight, right? One is going to the other and other is going to, can they have two intersecting points? No. We must have a third line to join them, right? So this must be clear. Two lines can intersect at only one point, right? And through one point, we can have unlimited number of lines like this, right? Unlimited number of lines. Okay. So basically, we have a slanted line or oblique line, horizontal line, and vertical line, right?
Yes.
Okay. So whenever we study angle, right? What is an angle?
An angle is a measurement of the area that is formed, like when two lines meet one another, the gap between them is measured by angle.
Okay, you said that two lines, right? But if we have angle like this, how many endpoints are there? Like this is one line, this is one line. Are they lines? Are these lines? They are rays. Angles are made by rays, not lines. No? Right? So an angle is formed by two rays with a common endpoint. Right? And this point we call as vertex. Okay, and if we are talking about more than one vertex, right? 2, 3, 4, we call them vertices, right? So these are called arms of the angles. All right. All right. So this is the angle, area swept by the one other ray, right? If we draw it, right? This is just like a scissors. So these are called the arms of the angles, and this is the vertex of the angle. So they are made by rays, not lines. All right. So do you know the types of angles?
Yes.
Oh, please enunciate for me.
They are acute angles, obtuse angle, right angle.
And
Um, and